Alright guys, we have a Kenmore, no such thing. It is a Whirlpool dryer. And this dryer is not turning on. Alright, so if you have checked everything and you notice that your dryer is still not starting, open the door. And by the way, that's the model number. So you open the door and that's your switch. That black thing is your switch. If you press it, you should hear a clicking sound, okay? And that means normally, not always, that your switch is good. So that is your door switch, and this one is not working. You see how it goes? And it doesn't come back. So that's a bad door switch. So if you have that, replace the door switch. Now to change your door switch, you do have two screws, Phillips. Got to remove those, and always remove the screws before you release the connection. Otherwise you can drop it down in the cavity and that's not fun. Now to change the switch, you do have two tabs there, and you'll have to use a putty knife, or you could just pull the front forward and you can release it that way, but a putty knife is straightforward. And you do have two screws here. Release, pull that vent screen lint catcher, pull that out, and you have two screws, and then your lid switch is going to be right there, and you can replace that. I will leave a link to the switch in the description. Thank you. Alright guys, so we have our top up. Like I was saying, a putty knife and two clips. You just press that and the top comes up. Now, to change your door switch, which is here, you do have two Phillips screws. I always tell customers, leave this connected, okay? Once you remove the screws, then you can loosen that so you don't end up dropping that in there. And then the reverse order, the same. Once you get the switch connected, then you can put your screws in. So we're going to remove these screws. Totally secure, not falling. Flathead screwdriver or a putty knife or whatever you have, just be careful. I should not be using a Phillips to do this. It doesn't even fit, but see, almost cut myself. So, right tool for the right job. Small screwdriver, gets under it, pull it out, done. So, that's a bad switch. See how it's moving? No good. This is a good switch. Now, reason most of these go is because when you close that door, you slam it. What it does, it literally snaps. There's a little spring on the inside. So be gentle when you close your door. Like I was mentioning, put this on first. And you can let it go. Won't fall in. And close your door nicely, don't slam. Everything looks good. All you have to do now is put the cover on, put your 2 screws, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.